Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about combination squares. Now, this is an indispensable tool in most wood shops for checking square, using it as a depth gauge, a small bubble level, and even scribing with the little tool that comes usually on the bottom end. These have been great tools since they were invented in 1879 by Leroy Starrett. This one happens to be a Miller Falls version that I've had around the shop for years. But recently the folks at Kapro sent me a new take on the combination square. It has a lot of interesting advantages. The first thing you'll notice is there's no little locking wheel. One of the problems with the old squares was always that you had to operate it with this locking wheel that you unscrew, and there's a spring inside, you push up and then you can slide this, but it always kind of catches and jams as you slide in the groove here. And then if you want to take the rule off completely, it's kind of a pain to slide it in and line it up there and get it right back on. The new Kapro, it's magnetic. There are strong magnets inside here that hold this in place, and it's really nice and smooth to slide. If you're going to do a depth measurement, it's really simple. There it is. Now I know exactly what that depth is. If you need to take the rule out, just take it out. You can use, it's got metric on one edge and inch versions on the other, and it works great. The level is very handy and visible from all directions. And then where's that little scribe that's down at the bottom? Well, it's not. They use the magnet. It's up here in a groove, very securely held. It's one of the problems with these old scribes. If you see these old combination squares around, frequently the scribe is missing because they get knocked out. It's just like a little spring that's holding it in there by friction, and they frequently get knocked out. Speaking of knocking out, that's one of the issues. If this gets dropped, chances are it could get whacked out of square if this is really good and tight. But if the magnetic level gets dropped, all that happens is it gets knocked out of the groove. The only thing that can keep this out of square is if you get dirt in this groove, and you can just blow it out and you're back in business. Very neat. For a tool that only costs, less than $25, it's kind of a nice improvement on what has been around for more than 150 years. Well, that's what we've got for today. That's the Kapro magnetic combination square. We have lots of other reviews and videos on our website at woodworkingnetwork.com and in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.